Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix this little break in my nail here. What I could do is just file my nail down, but it would be pretty short and uneven with the rest of my nails. So I'm going to try to use a fake nail to replace this little section here that's missing. I'm going to start off by using these Kiss press-on nails. They're plain, but I'm going to use one that fits the general shape and size of my nail. And this one looks like it works perfectly. So I'm just going to cut out a little area to fit there using manicure scissors. That looks like it'll do fine. I'm going to prep the nail by filing off any loose edges, and then using some nail glue, I'm going to press the fake nail onto my real nail. I know this doesn't fit right now, but if we line it up, I can cut off the rest later. So I'm going to use some extra glue here and some of this nail powder to reinforce the area that's broken. I don't want this to snap off again in a few hours. Using this orange stick, I'm going to press down on the nail powder to make sure it gets inside all of the little cracks there. And now we're going to wait for this to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Something that we missed here was me snipping off the edge with my manicure scissors. I thought I was filming this, but I guess I didn't hit record. So all you need to do is once the little edge is snipped off, use your nail file to file down the rest until it looks like the shape of your nail. I'm using rubbing alcohol to clean up my nail instead of acetone because acetone will remove the glue. Once I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm going to use some gel top coat just to help give it extra protection, and I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. Some final touch-ups, and there we go. Once this is painted with nail polish, you'll never notice that it's any different than the rest of the nails. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe.